Hey guys, this video will show you details about requesting support and also a refund for items purchased on WPBay. So go to your customer account dashboard by clicking on this button from here. Click on my downloads to list all the downloads that you have, and you can click get support for them. So this is the way to get support and also to make a refund request to the seller. So you will need to select the product that you purchased, and here for support select technical issue, or to get a refund select request a refund. So you will need to enter a subject and detailed description to the seller so the seller can understand details about the issue that you're facing. You can add also screenshots of the issue and click agree to support policy and click submit. So for example, let's make a technical issue support ticket with description. Also a detailed description for the seller. Agree and click submit. The submission form will be processed here, and afterwards you can go in the support area where you will see your ticket, which is open. You can go into the topic here, and you will be able to leave more replies or check the reply of the seller. So the seller can discuss with you details and provide support. In case of refund requests, they can offer a refund, or they can also deny it based on their assessment. So if you have issues with sellers or customers, or issues between anything that you purchase, you can also contact us, contact WPBay support, and tell us details about what issues you are facing. So this is how you can contact support for products. This is how you can ask for a refund for products. See you in the next tutorial video. I hope these are helpful. Bye bye.